Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm going to show you that why you should not add fingerprint lock in your cell phone and why fingerprint lock is not secure. So simply just you have to understand, when you add the fingerprint lock, simply you will add all of your fingers, or simply you type your fingers here, and after that when you set the lock, just simply you have to understand that. So why should not you use fingerprint lock in your cell phone? So simply when you are sleeping, if someone use your finger and put on your fingerprint sensor, your phone will easily be unlocked. So this is the main reason that why you should not add fingerprint in your cell phone. So simply if you have add any fingerprint of your cell phone, simply just delete it. And the secure method to do this, just you have to lock your screen through your face recognition, or you have to add your pattern or password. So in this way you can fully secure your cell phone. So in my recommendation, you should not add fingerprint in your cell phone lock.